Nintendo Switch cases and storage are essential accessories for gamers who want to protect their console and accessories while on the go. There are many products available to choose sit-up pillows, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best sit-up pillows from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Ivolar Carrying Storage Case for Nintendo Switch. The Ivolar Carrying Storage Case is the perfect travel companion for your Nintendo Switch or Switch OLED model. It's designed to be portable and travel-friendly with a comfortable handle strap that makes it easy to carry. The case has multiple storage compartments that securely hold your console, extra Joy-Cons, Pro Controller, dock, charging grip, AC adapter, HDMI cable, Joy-Con straps, and more. The hard EVA shell case provides superior protection against drops, scratches, bumps, splash, and dust. The soft liner protects your console from getting scratches. The case is easy to use with an all-around zipper that opens and closes smoothly. Number 2. Orsley Carry Case Compatible. The Orsley Carry Case is a perfect travel companion for your Nintendo Switch OLED console. It is designed to make your console even more portable and travel-friendly. The hard EVA yellow shell ensures that your device stays protected, while the soft inner material keeps it free from scratches. The case fits the Nintendo Switch OLED console with both its Joy-Con controllers attached, and the upper section features a separate inner pocket to store extra Joy-Cons, cables, games, and other smaller accessories. This case is an excellent solution for securely storing your Nintendo Switch when traveling or not in use. Number 3. JSOX PC-Z104 Mod Case. JSOX Modular Steam Deck Case is a complete and flexible protective case designed for Valve Steam Deck 2022. It consists of a protective back case with its own metal stand, a strap to attach other accessories, and a front cover to use when the Steam Deck is idle, and a cooling fan to use when gaming. Its eco-friendly PC ABS and silicone material provide ultimate protection for your Steam Deck from scratching, cracking, and shocks. Moreover, the JSOX mod case has a modular slider on its back cover, allowing you to add other compatible accessories. The package includes a Steam Deck case, a front shell, a metal bracket, and a strap. Number 4. Game Traveler Nintendo Switch Deluxe OLED Case. The Game Traveler Deluxe Travel Case is an elegant and portable solution for protecting and carrying your Nintendo Switch OLED console or Switch console. Made with high-quality ballistic nylon, this case ensures maximum protection while on the go. The adjustable viewing stand allows you to play and view your Switch conveniently, while also safeguarding the screen and thumbsticks when not in use. With the bonus game cases, you can securely store up to 8 games, making it a great travel and storage case. The comfort handle, soft satin inner top lining, and Sure Glide zipper add to the overall quality of this Nintendo Switch case. Tested and approved by Nintendo of America, it is compatible with the Nintendo Switch OLED, Nintendo Switch, and Nintendo Switch Lite. Number 5. Game Traveler Nintendo Switch Go Play System Case. The Game Traveler Switch Case is a durable and versatile system case designed for Nintendo Switch and Switch OLED. It features a hard shell design with a ballistic nylon covering and a soft linen-fitted interior to securely hold the Switch dock and AC adapter. Additionally, it includes an extra ballistic nylon case for quick trips, allowing you to travel with your full system or just the slim Switch case. The slim travel case, which is included, provides protection for short trips and has a pocket to hold 4 Switch games. With its quality rubber grip handle and Sure Glide zipper, the Game Traveler Switch case offers convenience and ease of use. It can also carry a Pro Controller or a Joy-Con grip, making it a versatile choice for gamers on the go. This license case meets Nintendo's rigorous testing requirements, ensuring the protection of your Switch console. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.